Zotion new T20D 5-axis dental dry milling machine. $50 kilograms only, small and compact. Large rotation range B axis, positive 25 degrees. Minus 135 degrees. A axis rotation range, 360 degree. The door of the machine, advanced. Hydraulically buffer structure. Milling wax. Milling zirconia blocks. Milling PEEK. Milling PMMA. (90 degrees vertical milling). Check the service life of the milling burr. It shows how much time milling this file needs. Power off memory function. If happen outage. No need to mill from first step. It can mill from stop line continually. Save time for you. Auto calibration function. A metal rod is required to connect the signal of the spindle and the axis. Click correction.